What's up guys, TV Hacks here. Today we will show you how you can install on your Android TV the Google Chrome browser. After the intro we will start it like known. We have here a Android TV, I have a Philips Android TV. On this TV I will install the Google Chrome browser. If you go to apps and the Play Store, you can type the Google Chrome browser, but you can find it. The reason is you can't install here any app like a smartphone or like your PC. We will type here Google Chrome and I will show you we can find here on the Play Store. You see here we can find Google Chrome. We have here some apps but not Google Chrome. To install this is very simple. First we need the downloader. The downloader is a very cool app. You can with the downloader install some apps. We have here the downloader and click on install. The install is very quickly, and when you're finished with the install you open the app, and now when you open the app you must here agree, then click on OK, and first you have to type the address for the Google Chrome browser. You can find the address in the video description. Here is the address, click on go, and now you are on the right side, accept here, then go back and click on download. We have here many AdSense, but you can go back, and when you go back the download will start in few seconds. Now we go back here now and click on install, and you see in few seconds the download will start. It's about 200 megabyte the Google Chrome browser. This takes a few seconds, and when he have download finished we can install the app. This tutorial works with any Android TV, also Sony, Philips and many more. It's not especially for Philips, but I have here a Philips and we will start. So finished, we click on install, and you must here go first to the menu, and unknown apps must be on to install. Now click on install. It takes a few seconds, and now go to install again, and you see Google Chrome will here install it. This takes also a few seconds and we are finished. And when we go now, you can click here on finished. When we go now to our home screen and go here to our app and search the app on the home screen, you can see we can find here is no Google Chrome app, Google Chrome browser. Okay, what's the reason? What's the solution? We go back, start again the downloader, and now here we have to put the shortcut address for the Google Chrome. This is the address. You can find this also in the video description, and go to install. Again we have here AdSense. Go back and click on download. Here's the AdSense, go back, accept and go to download. And this is the shortcut for your Google Chrome browser. Go off install, again install. It takes a few seconds because it's very small the app, and finished. Go to finished, and when we go into your home screen and click on the plus button, then we can find here, you see the Chrome TV, our Chrome browser. Start the Chrome browser and you see the known Google Chrome browser. Go to accept and you can surf on the websites. It's very quickly, it's very simple. If you have some questions, then write in the video description. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. TV Hacks says thanks for watching.